So a year ago we built this box, as I explained in some of the other videos. It's a different things of compost. So it's between our leaves, a couple farms, manure, our own food compost, and our own dirt in our yard. And you know, every so many weeks or months, putting some lime in it. So today I'm putting in some asparagus on this back row here, and watch it for the next couple of years, take care of it, and it'll produce for us in the future. I've already raked, hoed, turned over all the soil today, and the last couple of weeks I've been working on it. So, Mr. Cody, once I'm in here starting to dig, my chickens come in here and my dogs, and they help scratch it, turn it, and everything. So I have to lock the dog out so I can bury it and not dig things up. The chickens are on the other side, keeping me company for the moment, but they won't be able to be in here much longer. As the years go, this box will fill up, and I'll probably take some of this dirt and put it in different parts of the yard that we have for other garden boxes. So that's the start of our asparagus. 6 plants along this side. They should come up this year. We'll see if they're male or females, and within the next 3 years, or after about 3 years, we should get a crop of asparagus to have to enjoy on our grills.